Hello and welcome to another Detectortesters Toolbox Talk. My name's Gareth and today I'll be talking to you about the XTR Pulse and its benefits when using it with DT Connect. So a couple of years ago we launched the XTR2, which had the connection with our first version of DT Connect, and over the last couple of years we've evolved DT Connect into what it is now. One of the things that we recognise is that there's been a great uptake of DT Connect, but it was limited to just XTR2 users. So what we've developed now is something which we're calling the XTR Pulse, and what that gives you is the ability to digitally record test results simply with a pass or a fail using any one of our existing products. So the way that the XTR Pulse works is that you simply can either have this connected to a pole using one of our holders, or it also comes with a lanyard so you can have it around your neck. When it's attached to the pole or around your neck, you connect this to the DT Connect app. You then select your test result. So for example, we're going to test smoke in this instance. You then do your testing as normal. When the detector activates, you press the pass button. If it fails to activate, you press the fail button, and that is all recorded digitally at point of test onto the DT Connect app. So we have the ability to record smoke, heat, combined smoke and heat, CO, and also a combination of smoke, heat and CO. For any other assets, such as cool points, beacons and sounders, they're all within the DT Connect app. So you can add assets, you can then put the past test results straight into the app. So another thing that you can do, and this is especially important for repeat visits, is that you can put the XTR Pulse in your pocket, and then from the DT Connect app you can select the asset and then press pass or fail and record the results directly into the app. So what do we get in the boxes? So we're selling the XTR Pulse as a unit with 1 year subscription, essentially a 1 month trial, and we also have the XTR Pulse holder. So with the XTR Pulse 1 year subscription, you get obviously the XTR Pulse itself, you have a lanyard, you have a quick start guide, and also a 1 year subscription voucher. And the way that you redeem that is you simply scratch off, which reveals a code, and then on the web platform, you enter in the code which redeems the 1 year subscription. With the 1 month subscription, you get similarly the XTR Pulse, the lanyard and the quick start guide. This comes already with a 1 month trial. At the end of that 1 month, you can then subscribe to the premium version by simply going onto the web portal and entering in your details and either paying for a 1 month continuation of the subscription month by month, or pay for a full year. Then the holder, that comes with the XTR2 pole holder, which just simply wraps around the pole, and with the XTR Pulse you then clip it into the holder. So if you have any of our non-connected products and you wanted to get into the digital reporting side, the XTR Pulse is for you.